Hi, I'm Yashasvi from Com 2081 Advanced Interface Design CSS in fall semester 2022. And in this video, I will explain the use and applications of a Bootstrap component called cards. Bootstrap cards provide a flexible and extensible content container with multiple variants and options. A card is a flexible and extensible content container. It includes option for headers and footers, a variety of content, contextual background, and powerful disk display. First, let's look at some ways we can use Bootstrap cards. A Bootstrap card basically comprises a wrapper element called card, under which other element classes are defined, like card header, card title, card subtitle, card text, links, card image, etc. These are some ways in which we can use or customize the card component classes. Now, let's move on to the practical example. To make a card in Bootstrap, first we need to create a wrapper element that will contain all the other card elements and card classes. For instance, let's make a div element with the class card. Now, let's add an image. Let's say, let's give it the class card image top. This will make sure that the image sticks to the top of the card. So that was our step 2. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so it looks really big because we are not using the grid system. So let's give some margin, padding and background color to the card element, the div element, and let's give it some width. Let's say 30 rem. Looks pretty good now. So moving on to the step 3, let's add some descriptive elements. Let's add a card title maybe. H3 dot card title. Let's say title. We can also give it some kind of subtitle like we do in blog post, or we can just straight away go with the card text, which is the main content of the card. Let's say lorem ipsum, the dummy text. Seems pretty good. Let's also give it a subtitle. Let's see how it looks. Subtitle. Great. Seems kind of professional. Okay, step 4. Let's add some other elements like buttons and links. For a button, we can use the anchor tag with the class button. Button may be dark. Go somewhere. This button is really wide. Seems pretty good to me. We can also turn this card into a blog post if we just add some small text or some muted text. For instance, we can use the small element and we can add the bootstrap text utilities, text muted. Mistake. Seems nice. So this was one way to use the bootstrap cards and the corresponding classes, but we can like manipulate the elements and classes in many different ways, like I have done in this one. I hope you enjoyed this amazing component of bootstrap called cards and this presentation. Thank you and have a good one.